How to detox. Telling signs you need to detox ASAP. I hate to break it to you, but you are toxic, my friend. If you think avoiding toxins because you eat healthy and you exercise, think again. Every single day we are bombarded with these pesky things seeping into our lives through the air that we breathe, the water that we drink, the food that we consume, and the products that we put on our precious skin. Even the things we think, the psychological information that goes into our brain. More and more evidence keeps popping up showing a connection between endocrine disrupting chemical exposure and two of the biggest public health threats facing our society today. Number one, diabetes, and number two, obesity. And guess what? Both of these can actually be avoided by upgrading our lifestyle. Endocrine disruptors and chemicals found in plastics, cosmetic, synthetic hormones injected into factory farm animals, as well as pesticides. These things mimic hormones and confuse our endocrine function, creating a whole mess of problems. So we gotta get those suckers out of our bodies. Can I get a big like? Perfect. Which brings me to fasting, because we live in a toxic environment and we eat way too much crap. Now let me be clear, the goal here is not to have you hangry all the time. The intention is to begin the practice of pausing after your last meal and allowing a solid 12-hour window to give your hardworking body a break. If your last meal is at 7 p.m., don't eat anything, and I'm watching you, the people that wake up at 2 a.m. and grab the ice cream out of the fridge, chain that fridge up. Before 7 a.m., don't even think about it. Think of breakfast as a break fast or breaking your fast. Here are some signs that it may be a good time to give that hard-working body a much-needed break. Number one, you feel fatigued even after a good night's sleep. You experience brain fog or have trouble focusing. Maybe you have bad body odor, right? Armpit odor. P.U. You notice food, chemical, or environmental sensitivities. You're dealing with autoimmunity. You are plagued with the frequent headaches. You have trouble losing weight despite a healthy lifestyle. You deal with sleep problems or struggle with low energy and nothing seems to help. You become a slave to the constant sweet tooth. You get wonky hormones sometimes. You feel depressed, stressed out, anxious regularly. You have digestive and skin issues. Does this sound like you? If you said yes to at least 3 of these, it may be good to detox, my friend. It's important to understand that this does not happen overnight. You got a commitment to your health and you got to invest in the time so that you can feel good in the future and feel good today. I want you to aim for 7 to 21 days when you do this. Give yourself some grace here though. You are totally worth it. Drum roll, please. Number one, you knew I was going to say this. Eat your veggies. Not only do they contain fiber and other incredible nutrients, but they have this crazy thing called chlorophyll, which cleanses your blood. How amazing is Mother Nature? Drink more filtered water. You've got to get quality liquid in that system, my friend. Flush out those toxins. Not all water is created equal. Your goal should be drinking half your body weight in ounces of water every single day. If you're active, add another 16 or so ounces. Get a great water filtration system at home and see how good you feel. Next up, tongue scraping. Now I know this sounds weird. This is an ancient Ayurvedic practice that I do every single day, and it gets rid of the buildup on your tongue, which left untreated could lead to bacteria, which left untreated could lead to plaque in your teeth, which left untreated could lead to brain fog, your body feeling all out of whack, which left untreated could lead to all types of diverse complications, my friend. You don't want that. Get a tongue scraper. Media detox. We live in a plugged-in world. Try taking a break and turning off electronics. It's hard, isn't it? You're debating it right now. When was the last time you didn't get on your cell phone for more than an hour? Go for a walk, read a book, connect with a friend, look somebody in the eyes. Feel the difference that this makes in your energy, my friend. Sleep. It'll give you such peace of mind. It is truly, absolutely amazing. We get so caught up in work and life today, my friends. We have so many things to get done. Oh, I gotta do this today. I gotta do this. I gotta get this done. Taking a break to come back to yourself is a game changer, my friend, and I highly encourage it. Even 3 minutes to watch a funny video on YouTube. Do it for you so that you can show up better for the world. Next up, human connection. There was an Alameda County study that found that for every individual in decades-long study, those with the fewest social ties were 3 times more likely to die over a 9-year period. Those with the least amount of social ties were more likely to die, my friend. It's crazy. Get out there, meet somebody, And this was regardless of pre-existing health conditions, socioeconomic status, smoking, alcohol consumption, obesity, race, sex, sexual satisfaction, physical activity, and the use of preventative services. So get out there and connect in person, even if you're awkward. I used to be awkward connecting to people. Imagine that, super awkward. And sometimes I still am. I love hugging people and holding out a hug for at least 30 seconds. Sometimes that just creeps people out. But actual human connection can't be beat. Detoxing doesn't have to be boring, hard, tasteless. Grab a friend and do it together. The body is an amazing organism, wouldn't you agree? Check out the last video I did. I think you're gonna dig it. It's right here. Click on the next video. Get started. Let's rock and roll. Let's just fuel your brain with so much juicy information that you can't help but transform into a better version of yourself. Click on this video now. Once again.